Freshly painted garage doors. Don't miss your chance to snag this former model home. Situated on a spacious lot, this home sits high and backs up to a peaceful wooded area offering optimum privacy. The freshly painted interior offers a desirable open floor plan providing versatility and top-notch entertaining space. The primary bedroom features brand new LVP flooring and is conveniently split from the other 3 bedrooms. All additional bedrooms are roomy and can also provide ideal office space for any WFH folks. The kitchen features an excellent flow with stainless steel whirlpool appliances, a custom granite island, ample cabinetry and built-in shelving in the pantry. Step outside to enjoy the FL outdoors from your screened patio. The backyard is fully fenced and ready for your 4-legged friends. Parking will never be an issue with a 3-car